Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day today. Today I'm going to show you guys how to jailbreak your iOS 13.7 device across all iOS devices including iPhone 10, iPhone 11, and this should be working on the new iPhone 12 once it comes out. Guys, this is working flawlessly. So I'm going to show you guys, it's got all the features that you want in Cydia or any iOS 13.7 jailbreak. Just give it a second. Okay, there you guys see. As you guys can see, it has all the features that you would want. So check that out, guys. This thing is fully loaded. No computer is required for this at all, guys. You can do it straight off your phone. This is 100% untethered. This jailbreak for iOS 13.7 is honestly incredible, guys. So follow along with me. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Just show you guys, I am on iOS 13.7. So check this out, guys. As you can see, my version does say iOS 13.7 on an iPhone XS. Like I said, this is working on all iOS devices, all iPhones, and it even works on iPads as well, running the new iPad OS. So guys, follow along with me. I'm showing you guys exactly how to do this, okay? It's very simple, only takes 2 minutes. So just follow along and make sure you guys listen carefully to every step from here on out. Every step is important. So the first thing you guys want to do is open up Safari. By the way, this only works on Safari, okay? And go to the website apphacks.co/Cydia, okay guys? There's the website. And so basically what we're going to do from here is we're going to download the Cydia installer profile, and it's super easy from there. The process is very streamlined, okay? So just follow along with me, guys. So just click the go button once you've typed that in. Okay, and click allow, close. Okay, now we're going to go to our settings. So just open up settings, and it should say profile downloaded right here. Okay, so just click on that. Okay, so as you can see, it said this will install Cydia. So this is a very necessary step for the iOS 13.7 jailbreak. Okay, so just install that. Okay, so basically I just updated my iOS 13.7 installer profile, or sorry, iOS 13.7 jailbreak installer profile. So just gonna open that up, okay? So right now, my jailbreak for iOS 13.7 is in sandbox mode. So basically what we have to do is we have to get it out of sandbox mode, okay? So basically you just have to complete the installation. So just click on any of the features on here, okay? So just click, for example, manage account. Okay, so it says injection required. So basically to finish the installation of the iOS 13.7 jailbreak, all you have to do is click the start injection button. So once you click the start injection button, it's going to take you to the Cydia the Cydia installation wizard. And so basically once you get there, you just have to, so guys, I honestly recommend listening very carefully to everything I say from here on out. So basically what you have to do is you have to install two of the apps on there and do the exact instructions. So basically the files for Cydia are hidden within these apps, and when you install them and follow their exact instructions, it basically initiates a break in the code which begins transferring the files for Cydia over to your device, guys. It's really that simple. So you just have to be very patient with the process. Once you complete the injection properly, Cydia should load within 30 minutes with all the features working. If it doesn't load within 30 minutes, you did something wrong and you need to do the injection over again. So in that case, guys, just be patient, take your time, just install as many apps as you can, and yeah, just install as many apps as you can, and just do exactly what their instructions say. Some might say install and open for 30 seconds. Some might say install this app, sign up, register, something like that, or like get to a certain level in the game. It's very important that you do exactly what these steps say to jailbreak your iOS 13.7 device, because you have to do the steps in the exact way they say to do it to initiate the break in the code which begins transferring the files over to your device, okay? So guys, that's how to jailbreak iOS 13.7. How to jailbreak iOS 13.7 without a computer and untethered on all iPhones and iPads, okay? So thanks for watching, guys. AppFam out.